Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Prachi Creation. Today we are going to learn DIY handmade Happy New Year greeting card. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. So let's get started. For this you will need A4 size paper. Now fold it as shown. Now take a scale and measure 11 cm and make a half circle. Now cut it with a scissor. Now apply the glue on the right side of the greeting card and stick the white paper. Now cut the excess white paper. Now take a purple paper that measures 5 by 5 cm and fold it as shown. Now cut it and open the flower. Now cut the flower as shown and stick it with a glue. Now take a half cut ball and stick in the middle of the flower. Like this you have to make 2 more flowers of any color. Now stick the 3 flowers on the top of the greeting card. Now take a paper that measures 10 by 4 cm and draw a shape of a butterfly and cut it. Like this you have to make 3 butterflies, yellow, orange and white color. Now stick the all butterflies to each other. Now stick 2 half cut balls in the middle of the butterfly. Now stick the butterfly on the greeting card. Now draw 2 antennas of the butterfly with the marker. For making the greeting card more attractive, I am sticking the half cut balls on the greeting card. Now write Happy New Year with the marker. Now stick the red small half cut balls on the greeting card. the red color paper of any measure and cut a heart shape and stick in the greeting card. Now make small heart shape and stick in the greeting card. Now write a Happy New Year message in the heart shape. And our beautiful and attractive greeting card is ready. Friends, if you liked my video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon.